Hey James, quick message from Mr. Podbury. I'm the geography teacher here at IST, and looking forward to meeting you when you get to school. And just thought I'd give you a quick overview of how things work in this department in geography. So, voila, the classroom behind. It's one of my free lessons at the moment, so all is quiet in EC 730. In terms of geography, you'll be joining us in grade 10. So I won't be expecting you to sit the end of year exam in geography. The content we've covered is quite vast, but we've also done IGCSE geography coursework, and that's been done and finished, which is a substantial part of the final grade. And therefore, you weren't on the field work, didn't collect the data, haven't done the coursework. So for you, it'll just be an experience of doing a bit of geography with the rest of the group. So in grade 10 at the moment, there's currently two classes because there's about 35 students doing it. So we split it into two groups. You'll come to me twice a week. And as you can see on the board, this is the website that I use to teach. It's called Geography Pods. That's a mixture of my subject and my name, if you hadn't already worked it out. And it's a website that I've written specifically for the students here at the International School of Toulouse. We don't use textbooks. Everything is online. 99% of the lessons are done via the website online. When we practice doing exam questions, they're done on paper as per the real exam. But essentially for IGCSE, there are sort of four main parts. There's three themes, which are the taught parts of the course. And then there's the coursework. We've been to Berlin before. We've also done some stuff on rivers in France. But our field work this year was based around the beaches and the coastline south of Barcelona. So at the moment, we've done elements, we've done population, but we're working on settlement. On the natural environments theme, we've done tectonics, we've done rivers and river flooding, we've done coasts and coastal hazards, we've done weather. We just need to do our deserts and rainforest, which will be coming up fairly soon. And economic development, this unit of work we do after the winter break, the Christmas holidays. So at the moment, we are somewhere in here. I think, yes, we're on 1.5, which is all to do with places that people live and why towns, cities were set up originally. And at the moment, we're down at the bottom here looking at how settlement and service provision works specifically in Toulouse. If you're in next week, we will be starting a brand new unit, which is 1.6 urban settlements, and we'll be focusing on a bit of land use, a bit of familiar stuff for us in Toulouse, and focusing on inequality, and also, if you hadn't worked it out, the problem of congestion and traffic in Toulouse. So for geography, where possible, we try to use lots of local case studies. We're in the third largest city in France, or on the outskirts of that city, and there's plenty of geography on our doorstep. So it does make complete sense to use that as much as we possibly can. So once again, all the work you'll find on here. You can contact me at school. My email address is Podbury, which is Podbury _M for Matthew at intst.net. I'm also on LinkedIn, not on Twitter anymore. But yeah, email is probably the best way to get me if you have any questions. So have a look around on the website, see what we do, how we do it. And I am looking forward to seeing you arriving in the class shortly. Take care. Have a good weekend.